Welcome to another multiple choice question, solved step by step. Now, the problem is Jan loaned Ralph $45, expecting him to repay $50 in 1 month. What is the amount of annual simple interest on this loan? Now, the rate is given as equal to the annual rate of simple interest. Interest is equal to principal multiplied by rate multiplied by time, or I is equal to PRT. So you're given the formulas. This should be easy for you. Which is the answer? Is it 5%, 33%, 6%, 133%? Now you have 1 minute to solve that. Your time is up. So what is your answer? Was it 5%, 33%, 60%, or 33%? 133%. Now to solve this problem, you substitute $45 expecting to pay $50 in 1 month. So the interest is equal to 5 multiplied by the rate 45 by R multiplied by the rate, which works out to be 0.833. Thus R is equal to 1.33, so therefore what the amount of annual simple interest on this loan would be 133%.